In the video, we are going to show you how we feed these chicken with dried sweet potato peelings. And at our compost area where we produce manure for our all-season farming. For our all-season farming, we use this compost area at the same time to breed our local chicken. You can see they're enjoying the dried sweet potato peelings, grinded. Our compost area is made up of kitchen wastes, and leaves from turmeric, leaves from ginger, dry leaves from our wild cashew tree, and other leaves. An innovation we adopted at home to produce manure, and at the same time these chickens are enjoying. They're growing fine.